Kevin Williams, manager of All Skill Construction, LLC. Trying for the 40 feet long, those are. Had the truck come make them up. So I'm show you how to put these together. First thing I do is I put one end cap on. That's an end cap. Fits right on the side. And then you just get some zip screws or pop rivets. I don't like using pop rivets. I use zip screws and I just screw it through there and screw it in the back. And then seal it with some seal. Now the measurement you have to get from left to right. I got a 100-foot tape measure. So you just hook on to the end of the shingle up there, go all the way down to the end of the other shingle, and then add an inch for the overhang. So it can go an inch past the shingles, because if you don't do that, then you'll look up there, you'll see the water dripping right at the edge of the shingle. So you make the gutter go an inch. Some people do an inch and a half. I do an inch and a half past the shingles. That way it'll catch the water rolling right off the edge of it. I'll be back. All right, these are called hanging gutter screws. Hook on to the back, clip it onto the front. Every 2 feet or so, I do the or so. A little closer if I'm getting it inspected. As long as you know the distance to have in between them to get it up there nice and sturdy so it can be through the rain. Dirt clog up in there. I don't care what kind of gutter guards you put on there. Dirt clog up in there. And it makes the gutter heavy. That's what pulls the fascia down. Fascia water gets behind there, rot the fascia out, then with the weight in the gutter start pulling it down. But these are by far, back in the day they should use gutter spikes. But nails pull out easier than screws. Screws is the best thing that they could have ever invented. All right, back here I got a piece. I got to fix that piece right there. Little squirrel hole. I got my first piece of trim on there already. Already bent it up Saturday. All right, the gutters is up. One downspout in the center, and then follow that line right there. You see, you pitch it toward the center. Left and right. Come around the back. Come around the back, boy. Gutter up. Trim up. I'm done. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to say, I'm not a